Lesson 15. Direct and indirect speech. Let's observe analytical skills. Read the following sentences. Sanvi said, I am not reading the book. Sanvi said that she was not reading the book. What do you observe from above sentences? Let's learn conceptual learning. What a person has spoken can be presented in two ways. One way is by quoting the exact words that were said. This is done by using inverted commas and is called direct speech. Example: Rashmi said, I am ready to go for the picnic. Another way to present the words is through indirect speech or reported speech. We do not use inverted commas in indirect speech. Instead, we report the statement in our own words. Example: Rashmi said that she was ready to go for the picnic. The verb introducing the actual words of the speaker is called the reporting verb. A comma is put after the reporting verb to separate it from the reported speech. Changing from direct speech into indirect speech. When we convert direct speech into indirect speech, the tense changes. 1. Tense of the verb in indirect speech. Reporting verb is in present tense. Does not change. Example: Dr. Raman says, I examined the patients on Friday. Direct speech. Dr. Raman says that he examines the patients on Friday. Indirect speech. 2. Tense of the verb in indirect speech. Reported verb is in past tense. Simple present tense changes to simple past tense. Example: Anchal said, my mother is happy. Direct speech. Anchal said that her mother was happy. Indirect speech. Simple present tense used to express a habitual action or a universal truth remains unchanged. Example: The teacher said, the sun rises in the east. Direct speech. The teacher said that the sun rises in the east. Indirect speech. Present continuous tense changes to past continuous tense. Example: Rohan said, I am eating pizza. Direct speech. Rohan said that he was eating pizza. Indirect speech. 3. Tense of the verb in indirect speech. Reported verb is in past tense. Present perfect tense changes to past perfect tense. Example: Garima said, I have written an email. Direct speech. Garima said that she had written an email in direct speech. Simple past tense changes to past perfect tense. Example: Ria said, I went to the circus. Direct speech. Ria said that she had gone to the circus. Indirect speech. Past perfect tense remains unchanged. Example: Deepak said, I had eaten an apple. Direct speech. Deepak said that he had eaten an apple. Indirect speech. 4. Tense of the verb in indirect speech. Reported verb is in future tense. Does not change. Example: Dr. Raman will say, I examined the patients on Friday. Direct speech. Dr. Raman will say that he examined the patients on Friday. Indirect speech. When the indirect speech or reported speech has a time clause, its tense remains unchanged. Example: Willie said, when I was living in Lucknow, I often visited the Bara Imambara. Direct speech. Willie said that when he was living in Lucknow, he often visited the Bara Imambara. Indirect speech. Change in words denoting time, space, and position. Direct speech. Here. Last. Ago. Now. Next. This today. Tomorrow. Tonight. Yesterday. Indirect speech. There previous. Before then following. That. That day. Next. Day. That night. The day before. Change in pronouns and possessive adjectives. Read the following sentences. 1. I said, I want to buy pen drive. Direct speech. I said that I wanted to buy pen drive. Indirect speech. 2. You said, I want to buy pen drive. Direct speech. You said that you wanted to buy pen drive. Indirect speech. 3. She said, I want to buy pen drive. Direct speech. She said that she wanted to buy pen drive. Indirect speech. In the above examples, the pronouns and possessive adjectives of the first person change according to the subject of the reporting verb. Read the following sentences. 1. Rakesh said to me, your sister is waiting for you. Direct speech. Rakesh told me that my sister was waiting for me. Indirect speech. 2. Rakesh said to you, your sister is waiting for you. Direct speech. Rakesh told you that your sister was waiting for you. Indirect speech. 3. Rakesh told him, your sister is waiting for you. Direct speech. Rakesh told him that his sister was waiting for him. Indirect speech. In the above examples, the pronouns and possessive adjectives of the second person change according to the object of the introductory verb. Read the following sentences. I said to you, she is a philanthropist. Direct speech. I told you that she is a philanthropist. Indirect speech. In the above examples, the pronouns and possessive adjective of the third person remain unchanged. This includes he, his, him, she, her, hers, it, its, they, their, and them. Reporting statements. Look at the following sentences. Vishal said, I want to go for a car ride. Direct speech. Vishal said that he wanted to go for a car ride. Indirect speech. Vishal said he wanted to go for a car ride. Indirect speech. In the above example, that can be used as a conjunction, but sometimes it can be omitted too. We can use words like answer, object, assure, point out, announce, complain, remark, remind, and told instead of said when converting a statement into indirect speech. Reporting questions. Read the following sentences. Arif, are you worried about your marks? Direct speech. Arif asked me if I was worried about my marks. Indirect speech. We use words like ask, inquire, and wonder instead of say when we convert an interrogative or question sentence into indirect speech and use if or whether in place of are. Now, read the following sentences too. She said, how was your performance in FA? Direct speech. She inquired how my performance was in FA. Indirect speech. When a question starting with how, when, why or where is converted into indirect speech, then these words remain the same. Grammar Connect. We do not retain the question mark at the end of the sentence in indirect speech. Also, no conjunction is used if the interrogative sentence in the reported speech begins with a WH word. Reporting commands, requests, and advice. The reporting verb say or said changes into a verb of command or request, such as tell, order, command, ask, beg, urge, remind, or warn, according to the meaning of the sentence. Example: March forward, soldiers, said the general. Direct speech. The general commanded the soldiers to march forward. Indirect speech. The question words how, when, why, and where are retained to introduce the reported question. Example: She said, "How was your performance in the test?" Direct speech. She inquired how my performance was in the test. Indirect speech. The verb of the reported speech changes into an infinitive to plus verb. Example: Riya said to Kirti, "You must visit the Qutub Minar in New Delhi." Direct speech. Riya advised Kirti to visit the Qutub Minar in New Delhi. Indirect speech. Negative commands are expressed by not plus infinitive. Example: Don't shout in the class, the teacher said to the students. Direct speech. The teacher told the students not to shout in the class. Indirect speech. In sentences that begin with let, the reporting verb changes to proposed or suggested, and in place of infinitive, should plus verb is used. Example: I said to my brother, "Let us go for a movie." Direct speech. I suggested my brother that we should go for a movie. Indirect speech.